So the process of animating, we need to get the objects. If we have considered to use this object, it is always good to try and position it. So this is our object that we are going to use. Now pull the timeline. Once you get the timeline, now insert the keyframe. So the keyframe that we are going to insert, we're just going to have our location. Then we move within our timeline the duration that we want. Now after that, we do the action to that given object. Because we have said location, so we can say move, 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 then place, then K. Confirm the timeline. So now our action will be recorded accordingly. Okay, so it is always very easy that, again, the timeline that you have created, you can also easily copy them. You can select them and then duplicate them. Okay, after duplicating, then have the action to play it continuously. If you want the action to be played continuously, you can reach at the end of your keyframes that you've created, go towards the end, and then type the timeline that you have. Then if I try to play, my object will continuously be playing. Okay. Then you can even add more objects that you want. Right now, this is the steps that we can use to have. So because you